Welcome. Today, we'll explore how to monitor and block API calls in WordPress, improving your site's security and performance. In this guide, we'll look at how to log API calls, block unwanted ones, and manage everything directly from the WordPress backend. Why monitor API calls? Unmonitored APIs can expose the site to security risks and slowdowns. By monitoring each call, we gain greater control, reduce the risk of unauthorized access, and optimize the site's performance. For this project, we have two main goals. First, to log all API calls for a complete record of site activity. Second, to block calls to unwanted domains, ensuring that the site communicates only with necessary services. Here's an example of code for intercepting and blocking API calls. We use WordPress's pre-HTTP request filter to intercept requests, block unauthorized ones, and log everything in a database. Each part of the code plays a specific role in managing API security. To log API calls, we need a table called API logs. In this table, each row represents an API call with fields for the ID, the URL called, the call status, and the date. This allows us to keep a complete log for future API analysis and monitoring. We can manage this code without modifying theme files thanks to the Code Snippets plugin. With Code Snippets, we can add, edit, and activate code snippets directly from the WordPress backend, making code management easy and secure. This system has many benefits. In a local development environment, we can perform advanced debugging and optimize API calls. In production, we enhance security, improve performance, and ensure compliance with privacy regulations. There are also many improvement possibilities. We could add notifications for blocked calls, a management interface to view logs, and the ability to configure blocked domains directly from the backend. Some practical advice: perform regular database backups, optimize the log table to prevent system overload, and keep plugins and security settings up to date. Thank you for following this guide. If you'd like to dive deeper, read the full article for all technical details and code. This is a great way to improve API control and ensure your WordPress site is more secure and efficient.